Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the first unit of personal fitness. This first unit is basically an introduction to teach you guys, for those of you that don't already know, how to do simple things like post and discussions and upload different files to your Google Drive and then share them from your Google Drive in order to submit those assignments. So for this first little screencast, what we're going to do is take a look at how to post in a discussion board. So as you can see here, this is the first unit. This file folder is located in the tree over to the left of your ItsLearning page. You can see that the tasks are also listed below within this particular folder, and then they're also in the larger pull-out window here. So for how to post in a discussion, basically what I'm going to do is walk you through this really simple process for how to do it. I have created a little presentation that basically will walk you through the same steps. You're welcome to click through it as you need to, as you see fit, and it pretty directly spells out what you need to do. But for this particular example, what I'm going to do is show you kind of in the verbal format how to do it. So what you'll do is you'll first open the discussion board, much like I just did. What I just did was right-click and open it in a new window. You can also navigate to the discussion here and pull up. As you can see, it's the same window. So what you'll do is first click with Start a New Thread. You'll title it whatever the subject of that particular thread is. So usually when you do these, you don't need to worry about putting your name in here because your name will be attached to whatever you post. I'll be able to see it. So don't worry about titling it out, for example, so, and then the title of your discussion post. Just go straight to the title. You don't need to worry about putting your name. Once you have your title in there, you have a couple of different options. Once you click down into the body, you can do things like hyperlink. So that's what this little paperclip icon next to the table icon looks like. So if you wanted to link in, any website you can think of, it'll allow you to put that hyperlink in if you need to pull my attention to some kind of outside source. Other than that, it's just simple text that you'll type in here. So on and so on and so on, blah, 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 blah. And whenever it is that you've completed the body of work that you want, mine says save. Yours will say submit down there. So you'll title it whatever you want. You'll put your text in. You'll go to save, and you can see here, there's my title, there's my name, what time I posted it, and you can also see how many times it's been read. And that's good for you if you need to respond to other individuals' posts within your class too.